In this video, I'll show you how to check if a number is an integer or a float. So we can use a simple test with the modulus operator. So let's say function is float is going to accept the number, and we're just going to console.log number modulus of 1. And if it's not equal to 0, then it means it is a float. So let's test our function and give it the number of 5.43. And number is a float, that is true. And if we say is float and we give it a number of 5, we get a false. Alternatively, we can say that the function is int, takes a number, and let's console log or return the number modulus of 1 is triple equal to 0. Now, if I run the isInt function and pass it the 5.43, I'm going to get a false. And if I pass it isInt of 5, I'm going to get a true. Additionally, there's also a native method available in modern browsers. So let's say I'm going to console.log the number.isInteger, and then I can do 5.43, and that's going to be false. Or I can do number.isInteger on the number 5, and I'm going to get the result of true. So that's it. A couple of simple ways to determine if a number is a float or an integer in JavaScript.